Let's see what this game is. Turn. Great, finally. Everyone loves feeling pretty, and Lacey is here to help with her super awesome makeup skills. Use your creativity and imagine to give the client's makeup to die for. When you're done, you can save or print your creation to share with your friends. The clients are lined up and waiting for you to make them beautiful. It's time for the eyelashes. What is this? What the fuck is this? Done. Okay, next. Oh my god, the kid was jump scare. I thought that was a boy. I'm like, what boy would want makeup? Are those fake lips, mister?
Wow.
Okay, I love that makeup. It better not be a boy. Oh my god. Hey. Can they put this popping up where it don't really look scary? Why is her face melting? Fix her, fix her, fix her. Why the frick was her face like that? Okay, that was not normal. Why did she freaking look like that? Okay, here's a normal person. Fix her, fix her, fix her, fix her, fix her. Why the frick does she look like that? A girl had a weird looking eyes. Like, she had human eyes. It's supposed to be a cartoon. Yeah. What is flying near her face? Get the worm fast. Why was there a worm coming up to her face? Anyways. Okay, time to get her makeup fully done. Yep, her makeup's done. I'm not printing any of this. Please don't be scared. Where are they? Hello, customers. Oh my god. What the frick is that? What the frick is this? Whoa. Oh, you didn't see. Or did you see it? Why the? What the freak is that? Why am I in a bathroom? Can I get out the bathroom? No. No. Hurry up already. I'm not here. She's not here. This isn't happening. No. No. Oh my god, I'm tired of reading. I look so ugly when I grieve. The phone. The phone fell. No. Oh my god, stop saying no. She's just a client. She just needs makeup. She just needs her makeup done. Yes. Oh my god, hurry this up. I want to play the game. She just needs her makeup done. She just needs to get her makeup done. Yes. Like me. I just need fixing. I just need makeup. Yes. Okay, now I think the other part's creepy when the freaking thing flashed. Yes. Let's go. Hope you don't make. You look so something. Okay, I'm not getting your makeup done. I can't print that. Bro, what kind of thing is this? Okay, wait till next time.